Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Final Cut Pro for multicam editing step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Go to the top menu and select File. From the drop-down, choose Import. Next, select Media to import your video clips. Locate your video files on your computer. Highlight the clips you want to use for multicam editing. Click Import Selected to bring them into your project. Once the clips are imported, select them in the browser. Right-click on the selected clips. Choose New Multicam Clip from the context menu. In the dialog that appears, give your multicam clip a name. Select the synchronization method you'd like to use. If you plan to sync by audio, choose Using Audio. Click OK to create the multicam clip. After creation, find the multicam clip in the browser. Drag it onto the timeline. To start editing, select the multicam clip in the timeline. Go to the inspector on the right side. Make sure to enable Angle Viewer for easy switching between angles. Now, play the clip in the timeline to preview it. You can switch angles by clicking on the viewer while the clip is playing. Adjust the timing and transitions as needed. Once satisfied, your multicam edit is ready to be finalized. Export the project by going to File and then Share. Select your desired format and settings, and click Next. Choose your destination and click Save. Your multicam edit is now complete and ready for viewing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.